Good morning. Here's your bottle, sir. Wait, come back here. Here, Mo. There you go. Here, Mo. We're making bacon, egg, and cheese omelets. You want cheese on yours? Or just bacon inside of it? Yep. I'm going to put peppers on some of them. These are just the little sweet peppers. Okay, put the peppers in here now. 2 eggs, salt and pepper, a little bit of half and half. And give us a really fluffy omelet. Okay, whose is this one next here?
Mom.
So do you just want bacon and cheese, right? Is there a high pollen alert for today? Because there should be. You can look out the window like I did earlier and you can just see it falling all through the air. Like, protect yourself. I'm just saying. The pollen, it has arrived fully, officially, dangerously. I can feel it entering into my nasal cavity. I'm not complaining though, because pollen, it's something that comes along with spring, and I'm happy spring is here, so I will accept the pollen. It's better than cold. Jericho went up there and got that Banny rooster and hen and brought them back down here. He keeps a watch out for everybody. Roosty and his girls always go down to the barn. That's why that one lays her eggs down there. And I forgot to check down there and see if we had any eggs. I need to go do that real quick. We'll check on Miss Broody too real quick. How's it going, Miss Broody? Still nothing happening here yet. I'm thinking we're very close to 21 days. I'm gonna try to go back and see the exact date when I first started, you know, really noticing her staying on the eggs, you know. But yeah, thinking we're very close to 21 days. I'm just hoping that at least some of these eggs she's on are fertilized. Because it could be, of course, that not all of them are. And oh yeah, a few of y'all have been asking, were all of these eggs hers? They're not. Most of them, I would think probably only about, I don't know, maybe 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 of them are hers. I'm not sure exactly how many are hers, but there are other eggs under there from the other bannies, and there are some eggs I know from the Easter eggers because there's some green ones in there. Possibly the other ones that lay the extra large brown eggs. I don't know if I've seen an extra large brown one under there though or not, but anyway, so she's just pretty much sitting on everybody's eggs, but I didn't want to take them out, you know, just in case, because if she hatches me some Easter eggers, I'll be very, very, very happy about that. So I decided to leave them in there. We'll see what happens. We'll run and check in the barn real quick. There's Precious. She followed me. I know what you want, girl. They hear me getting it out. I'm getting it. Here it comes, ready? In case y'all have never seen us talk about these, it's the Impeckables chicken treats. These are the veggies and worms. They have lots of different kinds. They like all of them, but I really think the Sunbug Crunch was their favorite. And maybe the Papaya Picnic. She's got some eggs back here. 4 eggs. I'm gonna have to climb over the hay to get to them. There they are. It could be less than 4 days because she is one of my Isa Browns. And sometimes they will lay 2 in one day. I'm getting the lamb's bottles. The kids left these out here after the lunchtime feeding. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them for the supper time feeding. I'm just washing them. They hear me getting the bottles. Okay, the pollen's kicking in. The sneezing has begun. I've got to go inside. For supper tonight, we're having chili lime chicken. We're also having the avocado corn salad. The only thing is, my avocados, I think they're gonna be okay. They're not as ripe as I would like for them to be, but I think we'll be fine. I'm smelling that coffee. It's already getting me looking forward to coffee in the morning. I have my little thing of coffee grounds right here. We grind up the beans and then put it into that. So I've got the chicken right here, and I'm gonna use this chili lime seasoning. Okay, we've got the avocado in there. Corn, I just used 4 ears of fresh corn. Then I put about 1/2 cup of red onion in there, a little bit of lime juice. I'm gonna put a little more lime juice because I think I just put about a tablespoon. We'll do about 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna put in this whole 28-ounce can of Rotel. I drained it. And we'll put about a tablespoon of olive oil. And the recipe says to use chili powder, but since I have this chili lime seasoning, we're just going to use this in the corn salad too. We'll do about a tablespoon of the seasoning. A little cilantro. You can leave this out if you don't like it. And that's it. The corn salad is ready. I'm going to do baked potatoes, but I waited too long to start those in the oven, so we'll just cook some potatoes in the air fryer. He's got it.
He'll get on his knees too in just a minute.
There he goes. Full bellies.
Tubby, choo-choo.
Bo is after that strawberry plant, y'all.